About to open up my Technine Camrock snowboard. It's purple, not the roster color that they have. Well, kind of roster, it's weird. I got it off of Dog Funk. I've determined that I'm naming it Jamie. Yeah. And there we go. It's a 151. I like it. It's got a thing on the back. Looks like a stairs. This is the back of it. Just taking off this sticker. To a place I can hide. You know me. Rail board all the way. Not really made for big jumps. Good for medium-sized jumps though. Good for urban rails. Nice edges. Get lost and out of time. It's pretty light. I should have seen it glow. I think it's lighter than my other board, which is smaller. And it's not a Burton, so it's got all these holes instead of the fucking 3-hole setup that Burton's gonna go with.